Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy B Dot back with another quick video. Alright guys, we're in week 16. We're 4 months into this new beard journey that we're on right now. I wanted to come at you guys real quick because I just received some Andis T Liner blades that I wanted to review right now. And actually, I've been using the regular Andis T Liner blades for so long now, and I've been on Facebook and Instagram, and I've been seeing, for the past couple of weeks, I've been seeing this ceramic Andis T Liner blade. I've never saw it before, so I've been reading reviews, looking at YouTube videos. With these ceramic blades, they say that they stay cooler, a lot cooler for all you barbers out there, you know, that run into that issue of cutting hair for hours on end, and before you know it, the blades are extremely hot. If you guys can see right here, I think I'll put a little split screen up or something like that where you guys can actually see it. But I got these Andis T Liner blades and I put them on my T Liners. These T Liners are old as heck. I've been having these for over 20 years now, with a lot of barbers out here that cut multiple heads a day. They want something that's going to stay cool the whole time they're cutting. So I'm going to give them a try today, man. I've already chalk lined my beard out. As you can see, my cheek line, I chalk lined it out on both sides. Got a little bit of the back a little bit. So I figured today I will give you guys a little demonstration, man. Show you guys how these things work. It'll be my first time using them as well. Now, as always, I don't mean to scare you guys. I know I'm definitely close right now, but you know, it is what it is. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and got my chalk lines all together. You know, and it kind of faded out a little bit, but I still got a guideline. And I'm gonna go with these ceramic blades. Now I definitely zero gap these to the fullest. It's almost overlapping the guard. I actually kind of cut myself right here, so they're actually really sharp. Not sure if that's because they're so new, or maybe I just zero gapped them and actually went up a little bit on the actual blade part as far as the guard on the back, if you guys can see. Now I'm gonna try my best to leave these clippers on the whole time, just to really test the heat, to really see if it's really getting hot. Like I said before, I definitely zero gap these boys really good, because I'm actually seeing where I'm actually cutting some skin a little bit, so I gotta really watch how I really tap my skin. You know, if you guys are new to this, if you are zero gapping blades and stuff like that, definitely make sure you don't push down too hard, because when you first zero gap them, you don't really realize how hard you're pushing down until you see some blood, or until you really see like, okay, I'm going a little bit too hard. So I just finished up, just went ahead and lined up the back over here. The angle was kind of bad on this mirror over here, so I went ahead and moved into this mirror so I could see it. So I went ahead and finished it off. Got the bottom of my neck. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Got the back over here. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can really see it, but I sort of scraped myself right here, and also over here. So I might have to actually go in and fine tune them a little bit more to make sure that I'm not drawing blood when I'm actually cutting my beard, or lining up my beard, I should say. The blades are definitely still cool. They've been running now for about 15 minutes maybe. I just cut them off so I can talk a little bit better. But they're still cool. So yeah, I would definitely, I mean, these are pretty cool blades, man. And like I say, I will put all the links down below so you guys can go check them out for yourself. I think I paid like $10 for these blades. You can definitely go find them on Amazon. I'll put all the links down below. Definitely go check them out. So again, it's a real quick video, man, of me lining up my beard. But today I wanted to give these ceramic blades a try. You know, see how they work. It's not gonna break your pockets too much, man. $10. Just be careful with them, man, when you get them. Don't drop them on the floor. Don't bang them up against nothing, because anything ceramic or glass feeling texture like these are will definitely probably break easily. So, of course, I'm not gonna try that and throw them on the damn floor in the back or nothing like that just so I can try it out. But I would definitely recommend these though, man, because as far as if you are a barber out here and actually cutting multiple heads a day, you definitely want something that's not going to get hot. And if it's one thing about these Andis T liners, they do get hot. You know, as far as the base of it, the base is definitely warm right now, but the blades are cool. You know, the top part, the metal part is a little warm, but the ceramic is definitely still cool. Because really at the end of the day, if you're just doing your beard, just lining up your beard, they're not going to really get hot anyway, because you're just doing your beard. You know, depending on how good you are and how long you take, they can still get warm or actually get hot. You guys can see it's week 16 right now. Beard looking pretty good. Bottom. I'll put a little witch hazel on here in a minute. What I'm gonna do now is, since I wiped all the chalk lines away, I usually use like something like a little witch hazel or something like that. If you got something on deck, definitely use that. I got this Bay City Aftershave tonic from Detroit Grooming Company. This is a bay rum and bergamot. If you guys can see right here, a little aftershave. So whenever you get a nice close shave, whether you're using your Andis T liners or your safety razor or your straight razor, whatever, it comes with like a little pump top. Woo-wee! Good Lord. Whew. Boy. Well, this shit like fire. But it does the job. This is the Bay City Aftershave Tonic. Whoa, if you guys know anything about aftershave most likely is gonna give you some kind of burn if it has any alcohol in it. You know, but that's what you want after you get finished, you know, shaving something. You want something that's gonna actually get in there and soothe all your little nicks and cuts and all that kind of stuff. I'm trying to read these ingredients, you know, I got my Fred Sanford eyes. But this does have alcohol in it. It has witch hazel, fragrance, and essential oils. For best results, shake well before use. So I did that. This stuff smells amazing. This is the bay rum and bergamot scent. So this is definitely a good smelling aftershave, so definitely keep that in mind. Don't worry about, man, if you want to spray it into a towel or a piece of tissue or something like that and just rub it along your edges like the barber do, you can definitely do that. I just spray it on my neck area, on top of my cheek area, and it really soothes my skin, man, after a nice close cut. So I'm gonna come back now with the Leland butter. This is a mango and lime. Damn camera, man, I gotta stand so damn far away so you guys can see me. This mango and lime smells so good, man. This is definitely a summertime scent. So again, I'll put all the links down below, man, to the ceramic T-liner blades. You know what I'm saying? So you guys can go check those off. All my barbers out there that actually cut hair and got multiple heads and your clippers keep getting hot. Definitely check these ceramic blades out. Just me using them today, I see where they're not really getting hot. I only use them for about 15 minutes, but I can feel the base of the clipper, and the base of the clipper is still warm. And as always, I want to thank you guys for all the continued support. Continue to like, comment, subscribe on the videos, and I'll holler back. Peace.